It's gonna swing you in your Johnny Jumper. You like that? Swing! Swing! Whoa! Whoa, you're going so high! Let's get a face shot of you, huh? Yeah, you like that? You're gonna be you're gonna be adventurous, huh? Oh,
that was fun.
Yeah.
Go, Johnny, jump on, go.
Are those your puppy dogs? Are those your puppy dogs? You're just hanging out in your Johnny Jumper. Hanging out. Hanging out. Yeah. Yeah. Show your grandma Arlene and your grandpa Big Jeff. You like that? Yeah? You're gonna have some strong legs? Are you? Are you gonna have strong legs? Like your dad! Do your dance.
Hi.
Jeff,
No, what?
do your dance.
I wasn't doing anything.
What's wrong, Jack? What's wrong? Did Daddy stop dancing? Did Daddy stop dancing? Maybe he would start again. Yeah?
Around the world.
You spinning?
I'm spinning. Wow!
Oh my gosh. Jeff has been dancing. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack.
Say bye-bye.
See that side grin from him?
Uh-oh. What you chewing on? Okay, bye. The dogs bring you more laughter than we do.
Whoa.
Bye, dogs. Hey, Big Zo. Hi, Big Zo. How you doing? You doing okay? Rocky dog.
He's gonna come this way because I told him not to.
Rocky, come here. Come, Rocky, come here. Rocky, come give Jack a kiss. Come here, Rock. Come on. Go give Jack a kiss. Go on. Go give Jack a kiss. Go on. Give him a kiss. Come on, Rock. Give him a little smooch.
Give him a kiss.
Give him a kiss.
Good boy.
Yeah, good boy. Good boy. What do you think, Jack? Do you love your puppy dogs?
Come on, Rock.
Do you love your puppy dogs? Yeah, they're your best friends. They're your best friends. Lots of puppy dogs. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kissy. Okay. Bye, Jack Bear.
Checker.